Ever wondered how to make quick and delicious Chebureks at home? Welcome to the culinary journey where we'll unravel the secrets of creating these savory delights. From gathering ingredients to serving them hot, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn how to whip up these tasty treats in your own kitchen. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need thin puff pastry, a versatile base that's easily available in most supermarkets. For the filling, gather around 500 grams of finely chopped meat, be it beef, lamb, or pork, and 1 finely chopped onion. Don't forget your seasonings, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. To add a burst of freshness, include some chopped greens like dill and parsley. Lastly, ensure you have enough vegetable oil for frying. Now that you have everything, it's time to start cooking. Start by preparing the filling. First things first, heat up a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in a deep frying pan. Once it's good and hot, introduce your finely chopped onion. Let this sizzle away, stirring occasionally until it softens and starts to take on a golden hue. Next, it's time for the meat. Whether you've chosen beef, lamb, or pork, make sure it's finely chopped for the best texture. Add it to the pan and fry it up until it turns a delicious brown color. Remember to keep stirring, we don't want large lumps of meat forming. Now let's season it up. Salt and pepper are a must, but feel free to adjust to your own taste. Once you've seasoned, toss in your chosen greens. Dill, parsley, or even both, finely chopped of course, give it a good mix. Lastly, leave the filling to cool. Once your filling is ready and cooled, you're ready to assemble your chebureks. Now comes the fun part, assembling and frying the chebureks. Let's start with the puff pastry. Cut it into squares, each about 10 by 10 centimeters. Then, take a small portion of your cooled filling and place it onto each square. The next step is to fold the dough over the filling, forming a triangle. Press the edges tightly to seal them. You want to make sure the filling stays inside during frying. Now, let's move on to the frying. Heat some vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add your chebureks. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remember to flip them carefully to ensure even browning. Finally, take your golden brown chebureks out of the pan and place them on a paper towel. It will soak up any excess oil, making your chebureks crispy and not overly greasy. Now that you've made your delicious chebureks, it's time to enjoy them. These golden delights pair wonderfully with tangy yogurt, creamy sour cream, or a vibrant tomato sauce. Add a side of your choice and savor each bite. And there you have it, delicious and quickly cooked chebureks. Enjoy your meal.